how to remove Messenger account or how to remove saved Messenger account or log out of your account on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your saved Messenger account from Messenger on your device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now if I just open up Messenger here, you can see I'm logged out. Now how can you log out of your account? Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy. What you want to do is, instead of heading into Messenger, on the Messenger, since you want to get any logout or remove account option, you want to scroll down your notification bar. You want to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so here, you'll be headed into your settings. Right now on settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way below until you find the option apps that you can see here on the screen. Simply tap on apps option here. Once you tap on apps here, what you can do is, from the search bar at the top, search panel at the top of your screen, you want to tap on it and you want to search in for Messenger. Now once you search for Messenger, what you want to do is you want to tap on it, and if you scroll down below, you'll get the storage option. So tap on storage option, and under storage at the bottom of the screen, you can see clear data option and clear cache option. Now you want to simply tap on clear data option, and you can read under it. It'll delete all of your applicants data permanently. It'll remove your account as well. So simply tap on delete option and it'll be deleted. So this way you can remove Messenger account from your device or from your phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.